playing Murder Mystery 2. And when I get sheriff, I'm gonna the first person I see, I kill, and I am innocent. So yeah. So we're just gonna see. You'll see me rage quit 1,000 times. Let's go. You'll see me rage quit 1,000 times. I suck at this game, and I say I don't hate this game, but it just I don't know why, but I flickin' just rage quit. Okay, we're gonna do house. House 2, everybody, let's go. Everybody do the sea lion. No, sea lion. I'm trying to make this for my channel, so yeah. Like and subscribe. Oh, someone just came up to me. I can't. Because I got banned. Guys, let me see. Ready? Hi. And I'm murderer. See? I got banned. I'm murderer. And I don't know why I'm murderer. Okay, first person I see is this guy. Kill me, guys. I don't care. You waggy, shaggy, big back baggy. Oh, you big back baggy. Oh, guys. Okay, guys. This might be my first win, honestly. I think I killed the person with the gun. Oh, they're so lucky. Okay. Wait, I'm going good on time. Haha. Okay, wait. He's trying to kill me when I stand still. What the heck? I'm going to see. You'll never know. The Voldemort. He ankled me. I don't freaking care. Excuse me. You don't do that to me. Mate. You don't do that. Yes, I killed it. I killed him. Let's go, bro. Let's go. I killed the murderer. I'm gonna camp because I have free will. I free will. He's doing the splits. He's doing the splits. I think I have 2 people left. So let's kill them. Yes, I've got one person. One freaking person left, I think. Yes. Okay, he's gonna get the gun, but he doesn't know that I'm gonna kill him. Okay, wait. I'm not going down there. I'm gonna wait near her. Oh, you scared me. I got 30. Where I actually slay at freaking murderer. I'm trying to impress you guys, so where is he? Is he down here? I swear he's down here. Should I let him kill me, guys? Oh, he killed me, but I also got a lot of stuff. Like, I got 36 eliminations. Don't mind here. Last mark, waste your mum. At least I killed everybody almost. What the heck? Should I respawn, guys? No, my favorite. I I want sheriff. Guys, I want sheriff, not murderer. Sheriff. Okay, guys, I'm getting sheriff today. And then, remember the challenge? When I get sheriff, I'm going to kill the first person I see. Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Sheriff. Oh, I'm innocent. Guys, I'm clicking innocent. Don't mind if there's no editing. I don't know how to edit yet, so yeah. And I'm probably gonna do more Roblox videos, and I'm back in my edit. So yeah. Sorry if I freak out and scare you guys. I wanna see your faces. I wanna scare you guys. Oh god. Funny. Here's the freaking murderer. I thought that was the freaking knife thing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do a trick shot, which I'm not the sheriff. So. Ooh, someone's killing. Okay. Lucky they didn't see me. Should I hide? Guys, I'm gonna hide. I'm going to hide. Flick it! Doof, big back. Okay, I think the gun's out, honestly. Wait, I think the gun's out. I'm gonna go see. If I die, good luck to me. Actually, if they're camping. Wait, is the gun out? I don't think so. Let me see. Okay. So, hey, girl. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know where she's going. Okay, so we did that. We slaved. Okay, just guys, I have the aircon on and it's freezing. I'll be back. I am back. Okay, so should I be worried? We'll do hotel again. My favorite map, can't you tell, is hotel. Yeah. You spin me right around. Don't mind if I spare you classical. Flicking Ocean Sick. I don't know. Really? How did he get there? Who cares? Let's see if we can get sheriff. Sheriff? Flicking murder. I guess what? Okay, let's do a trick shot even though I'm not sheriff. Wait, I'm gonna hide in here, why not? Do I blend in? Oh, she does. Okay, so no one's gonna see me. No one's freaking gonna see me. Okay, she's right there. Should I hide? I see somebody. If I die, good luck to me. Good luck. I think it's her. Good luck to me. Should I collect that coin? Huh? It is her. She's a baddie. Oh, it is! I knew it. Should I get the gun? Wait, I should keep hiding. Yeah, I'm trying to get the gun. Should I call up my friend? The team. I do camping and teaming, but I just don't like camping and teaming. Honestly, if I'm murderer, or like, no, don't mind if you get hate comments in the comment section, because I'm bad at being murderer. Like, I'm bad. Plus I got, bro, I think I'm the last person. And plus you can't even see me. Oh no, never mind. I'm the last person. Yay, a cheer. Yes, I'm jumping on her back just like a knuckles. Not knuckles, a freaking bones to crack. Bro, the gun was out. Crap, I could have got it. But I don't care. Bro's laughing so hard. I'm standing on his head, I'm standing on his head. You must have McDonald's Wi-Fi. It might just be me. Yay, hotel. Huh? Did I not see it? Did I not vote it? It must be my internet. It must be my internet. Okay. Guys, let's go. Let's go. We're sheriff. Guys, we're sheriff. We're gonna end the video once I... Wait. Imagine I get this right. Yeah! The first person I see. Really like it's the whole country. Everybody's freaking... Yes, I died, guys! And my... Okay, I'm gonna move spots. Because my tablet's about to die, guys. Okay. Loading the charger. Okay. Bringing it over here. Okay, did that. Spread the cord. Did that. Okay. Bringing it down here. And I got dead. Oh, of course it's the freaking murderer that thing. Okay. Did it? Did I? I think I did. Did I? If my tablet dies, guys, let me know. And plus I'm gonna post this too, so. Oh yeah, this is charging. Okay, that's good. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna get defeated like 1,000 times. So don't mind. Don't mind it at all. Don't mind it at all, guys. Don't mind if I'm a little voice, because guess what? I suck at being sheriff. And I wonder what the map is going to be. Imagine this hunter. It's my favorite map. And I'm going to do a trick shot. 3, 2, 1. What the heck was that? I wonder who did that. That was definitely not me. Guys. Okay, ready? Someone's dying. I bet it's her again. I bet it's that blondie. Guys, I died. Okay, guys. We're gonna play one more round, and then I'm gonna end the video here. I think. Why is there 6-7 on the name? Whoever has 6-7 in the name, and 6-7 so last year, is basically, I don't like them. Which I don't like her, because she killed me like 1,000 times before I did this video. Don't mind the background noise. Okay guys, so it's taking too long. So I'm gonna end the video here. So bye guys. Bye guys.